Okay guys, first we will go to the main screen and open the settings and go down to the software update option where you will be able to see download and install. And now you can see that there is a new update which has come out, and this includes the November update of security patch for Samsung S20 FE 5G. So we'll be checking the details of that. It has some security enhancements, and this would be almost one of the last updates which we might be getting this year. And we'll just click on the download button so the download starts. It will take a couple of minutes. As you can see there, it takes about 3 minutes so for it to get installed completely. That is, first it will be downloaded, and then once you go ahead and click on install, it will get restarted and the software will be updated to November's security patch. We have been waiting for this security patch for almost more than a month, and now it has come in December. November patch has come, and mostly next year we'll be getting the latest Android 12, that's One UI 4 for Samsung FE. So even I am waiting for that time as soon as possible. So now you can see there's just 1 minute left over here for the complete download of the update. So let me just go ahead and make it a little bit quicker for you so that we can go to the installation process as soon as possible, so that I don't go ahead and waste more time for you. And in case you did like this video, please give a thumbs up. And now you can see the download process has completed. All you have to do now is click on the install now button to go ahead and install immediately. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on that, and the phone will get restarted. So let's go ahead and do that. So now the phone has been restarted, and you will be able to see finishing update. It will be taking about 3 to 4 seconds for that to complete. So we will just wait for that. Once that is completed, we'll go to settings. We'll go to software, about phone, down, and check about the software information, and down you can see that it's been updated to November patch. Okay, Android security patch. And now we'll update the Google Play update, system update also, and even that is for November patch, which we will be downloading, and we will just go ahead and update that too. And this also is the same process where the system will get restarted again, and we'll be able to update the Google Play Store also for the latest versions. So that's been done. So that's as simple as it can get. That's how you can go ahead and update your phone to the latest security patch.